This is the U.S. Army car. It was built in the 1960s. I'm going to walk over to this next car. This is not an original Milwaukee Road car, but it was painted to look like one. I'm going to try to find the historical description of this car. It's used on the Cincinnati Dairy Train. And then this is the farthest I think we can go. Yeah, this car is a generator car. And then on the other side of the car are two cabooses. You can actually rent a caboose. Just a general thought that the cabooses are not heated, so you may want to bundle up during this time of season. Here's Muddy Creek coming up on the left-hand side. Anyways, that's a quick tour of the passenger cars. I'd like to take you up to some of the other cars on the train, but one of the cars is blocked due to maintenance. But stay tuned for more sights and scenery along here. Steampunk 1993 out.